Hi all, myself Kirtana Kumar, Department of Commerce SF Afternoon. So here I am going to discuss about the types of insurance. Mainly insurance is classified into general insurance and life insurance. So here I am going to discuss about some different general types of insurance. We know that general types of insurance are marine insurance, fire insurance, burglar insurance, personal accident insurance, motor vehicle insurance, and there are so many insurance are comes under the general insurance category. So here first one is marine insurance. So from the word marine and insurance, it is clear that it is an insurance on the risk of transportation of goods is one of the oldest and most vital forms of insurance, and the goods in transit are exposed to damage or loss from numerous transportation perils. We know that transportation, there is a risk of loss or damage of goods during the transportation or transit times. So marine insurance not only covers seagoing vessels. From the word itself, people think that marine insurance only covers seagoing vessels, but it's not only like that. It also covers transportation of goods by rail or road in transit. So marine insurance provides protection towards the goods or transition of goods through the seagoing, and also provide protection of goods by the rail or road in transit. This is also very important because people just think that it only provide protection to seagoing vessel, but it also provide protection or insurance coverage to the transportation of goods by rail or road in transit. And so we know that it covers the loss or damages of ships, cargo, terminals, or transport cargo by this, like everything for that. And here it is more subject matter of marine insurance. So the first one is hull insurance. Hull means the tight body. Okay, it's a tight body of a ship or boat. That the tight body of the ship or boat is known as hull. And from the word the hull insurance that covers vessels, just cover the vessels and equipments. That means furniture, fittings, tools, machineries, etc. So hull insurance covers these things like furniture, fittings, machinery, tools, fuels, etc. So, and the next one is cargo insurance. Cargo insurance means it covers insurance for the cargo in the vessels. Okay, so it covers loss and damages of cargo in the vessels. It is in the transit time from the first point to the final destination. Then next one is freight insurance. Freight insurance provides protection against the loss or damages occurred in the freight. So it indemnifies the owner of a ship for the loss of earnings from the freight charges of the goods. So the freight insurance, from the word it is clear that freight insurance covers loss or damages of freight. And hull insurance, from here hull insurance covers insurance protection for the furniture and fittings, and cargo insurance covers protection of loss or damages of cargoes in the vessels. And the last one is one more insurance is here, and liability insurance. Liability insurance indemnify the insured against the loss arising out of the liability to a third party caused by collision of the ship and other similar hazards. So it's a third party. Here is a third party in the case of liability insurance. So any collision or any loss or damages caused by the third party is covered under liability insurance. So these are the four types of four subject matters under marine insurance. Then next type of insurance is fire insurance. Fire insurance, we know that from the word itself, it is very clear that fire insurance means it covers loss or damages, or the insurance company indemnifies the loss occurs due to the fire of our subject matter. So this insurance policy is designed to insure one's property and other items from loss occurring due to complete and partial damages by fire. So it also includes partial damages also, not only full complete damage. And here are some risk covered under fire insurance. First one is fire. Normal fire is considered or covered under fire insurance. And lightning, loss or damage caused by lightning is also covered under this insurance. And fire damages caused due to any explosion or implosion. The loss or damages due to strike or terrorist activity, etc., also comes under this category. And storm, cyclone, flood, typhoon, like this natural calamities may affect some or may lead to some loss or damages. So it also covers under this. And damages due to missile testing operations and damages due to leakage from sprinkle, automatic sprinkle. Not sprinkle, it's automatic sprinkle installation. So these in these situations there may be a possibility of loss or damages. So these also comes under the fire insurance. Okay. So here these two insurance are mainly focused on here, and there are more insurance like motor vehicle insurance. We know that there is an act for motor vehicle insurance act. So it covers the insurance protection towards the vehicles, and there are different schemes like Form A and Form B for the protection of the owner and vehicle. For the protection includes the Form B includes protection of third party. And health insurance, maybe there is as a human being we know that there is a possibility of some risk on our health. So due to the hospitalization or to cover the hospital expense, or we have health insurance. So health insurance definitely help us to support that kind of health issue amounts like hospital bills. It also covers that. And burglary insurance also there. Burglary, we know that like theft, like some goods, to protect some goods, we have a burglary insurance. And personal accident insurance also there. Personal accident insurance also includes accidents, serious health illness, everything will be covered under personal accident insurance. Okay, so these are the normal general insurance, and there is life insurance also. Life insurance is for the protection of the life of a person. It indemnifies at the time of the life insurance amount. Normally we can claim at the time of maturity or the death of the person. So once again, the insurance is classified into two, general and life. So general insurance are marine, fire, motor vehicle, health insurance, burglary, like that. Thank you.